Welcome to SmartPost for Google Business Pro in Webflow app. In this video, we'll show how to update your Google Business profile details using SmartPost. To begin, simply click on the edit icon on the profile you want to update. The basic business information is available under the About tab. Here, you can update the business name, business category, business description, and the opening date of the business. Next, switch to the Contact tab to manage your business contact details. You can easily update the phone number and website link associated with the business. To manage the location details, navigate to the Location tab. Here, you can update information such as the street address, city, state, zip code, and country linked to your business. To manage the business timings shown on Google Profile and Google Maps, move to the Hours tab. You can easily update business hours using the simple and user-friendly interface. Toggle the weekday you want to update, set the start and end time, and click on Save Changes to apply the updates. And that's it. The changes have been successfully applied. You can verify the updates on your Google profile. Please note that it may take a few seconds to a few minutes for the changes to reflect. Click on More Hours, and here you can view the updated business timings. In the next video, we'll walk you through how to publish a post directly with SmartPost. Don't forget to check the full documentation or contact our support team if you need any help.